I'm going to share my daily method of operation, or DMO, with you on how I build my business online. I think I need a drink of water, but this is what I do. Depending on the day, I know you see videos saying, oh, work 2 hours a day and build your business and make $10,000 in 2 weeks. I want to be very clear with you. That does not happen right away. You have to, affiliate marketing is like the slow burn. You have to be in it for the long haul. Remember, you are trying to replace your current situation or your current job with a new job. It's like, you're building a business from scratch up. So the things that I do, depending on the day, I go live on TikTok 3 days a week. Usually that is Tuesdays. I can't give you a time because sometimes I'm stuck at work, but Fridays, 9 a.m. Eastern, Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern, and I'm thinking about changing those times too. However, I go live on TikTok 3 times. I post anywhere from 3 to 5 videos, that's short form videos, a day here on TikTok. I also have a Facebook group that I run. As a beginner, you don't have to really worry about Facebook, but eventually you'll need that because you want to get people to know, like, and trust you. And as people get to know you and like you and trust you, they're going to buy anything from you. Once that is done, basically my business is set up. I built my sales funnel. I have my email swipe campaign going on and my Facebook group. I have everything automated, and you can too. Now, where the work comes in is because you have to create content. You have to do these videos. You have to, share value, tips, tricks, your story, your life, who you are. Also, the other thing I do is I love chatting with people. So if people message me, I like communicating with them. I also get on any type of like Zoom call or Facebook Messenger call. I do all that because I don't want anybody to be lost or confused, especially if they use my link. But those are some of the things that I do. Now, the great thing about it, as long as you have a Wi-Fi, laptop, cell phone, and your product, you can do this from anywhere. And when you get really good, like my long-term goal is to be an affiliate marketer for traveling, because my long-term goal is to travel the world and I want to take this with me. So that's what I'm doing. But I have to learn the skills by promoting a course, because I don't know anything about affiliate marketing. So that course and the community I'm in teaches me everything I need to know to reach my goal that I want to reach in 5 years. And you can too.